Hello, ladies and gentlemen. If you're on this page, then you must have joined the crypto tutorial guide. That is going to link and connect your account to the traffic software. That is the Tron Pool traffic software. So right now on this page, I'm going to show you how you are going to go through this step and complete this step now on this page. It says get your complete access delivered to your mailbox. So if you have not joined Tron Pool, this is still an ample opportunity for you to do so. But if you have joined Tron Pool, I'm going to show you how to bypass this step and continue the tutorial and into the next step. But if you have not joined this powerful system, the Tron Pool ecosystem, you have to complete this step and activate your dashboard using this step. So right now, it says that you need to send an email to this user's mailbox. This user's mailbox is going to send you an autoresponder. An email autoresponder showing you the step on how to join Trumpo to set up your Tron Pool account and activate your dashboard. So to do that, what you need to do is you click here. You must click on this button here so that it can unlock next step for you. So it says here that send the email with the exact subject line to this email address, and then wait for the automated system to process your request. Check your inbox for step 3 with your complete access guide. Follow the instructions to set up your full crypto account. So these are the steps that we're going to be completing on this page, and say, activate your dashboard will be required to clear this amount and start receiving the rest payment in my next tutorial, guys. So to start the steps, we're gonna click here. Start the steps, we're gonna click here. And then you're gonna go to Gmail and open your Gmail dashboard, where you're going to send an autoresponder as an email request. So what you just do, if it opens like this, that means you don't have a Gmail app installed in your phone. So you just have to go back and do this step manually. So what you do is you go back. If you don't have a Gmail app on your device, it's not going to show and pop up this thing that the autoresponder for you. So you just have to go and do it manually. You come here, you click, you copy this guide like this. That is the subject and the subject line. Copy it. Then you click here and go to your mail. Click here to open your Gmail. Then you click on send email. I'm doing it manually right now. You should click on send email. Then you paste the subject, what you copy. You paste it in the subject here like this. So that's it, you paste it in the subject. Then you go back to the training page. Here's the training page. Then you copy this email address that is the Gmail account. We're going to send this email to, okay? Then you copy it and paste it here, copy. So you're sending the email to this Gmail account. You see, you're sending it to this Gmail account. Then you just click on send. There's no need to write anything in the body of the email. Just click on send, then your email will be delivered. Then you are automatically requested for the complete full access guide to set up your full account. So after that, you check your email. After 2 minutes, you check your mailbox. You're going to receive an autoresponder like this that says, hi, your crypto tutorial guide activate. So this is the kind of response you're going to receive here. So also, you can also do it this way. So I'm giving you 2 steps on how to send an email request for the complete full access guide on how to set up you can do it this way. You come to the tutorial page. You copy this subject line first. Copy this subject line first. Make sure you copy it the complete subject line first, then I like this email autoresponder as a way to automate the system. It's going to show you this option copy, and or Gmail or copy. Then you're going to click on Gmail. So tap on Gmail, so this will go and open your Gmail account. You can see that they open your Gmail account. So you now hard press on the subject line here. Then paste the subject line into the subject space here. Then that is just what you do. Then I think this step is more simpler. Then just click on send the send button here like this, all right? Then it has sent the email for you. Then you now go to your email and check your inbox or a message. An autoresponder message that is going to come from the autoresponder email. So you refresh your inbox can see, all right? So I'm going to look for it. So this is it, all right? You can see this is it. You're going to see the message like this. Hi, your crypto tutorial guide. So you're going to click on it to open the email. And then after you have clicked on it, you're going to go through the email. And inside this email is a step-by-step guide on how to set up your Tron Pool account. And to set up your Tron Pool account, you need to click on this link and then you sign up with this referral code. You must copy this referral code first. Then go to Jump Pool and sign up. You sign up, click on this, and then you sign up. You need to click on this link and then you sign up with this referral code. So make sure you copy this referral code first, just in case. Then click on this link to go to Tron Pool registration page and sign up. Okay, so this is where you are going to paste the referral code, all right? As you can see, they have referral code. It's already inside the referral code box. So next, you're going to get your own Tron wallet address and paste it here, and then fill in your email address here. So since the referral code is already populated here, inside the referral code box automatically. So right now, you're going to just go to your Tron wallet and get your Tron address to paste here. You can use Trust Wallets, Clever Wallet, Tron Link Pro, or you can use Token Pocket or any Tron wallet address that can receive tiny amounts of Tron payments. Is good to go, where you're going to be receiving payments. Then after that, you now enter your email address here. Then you click on Create Your Account button. Here, I've already created my account. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you are going to activate your dashboard. So that is just what you're going to do right now to create your account, .ok. So in my next tutorial video, I am going to be showing you how to activate your Tron Pool account dashboard with 20 Trons minimum by sending 4 Trons each into the 5 Tron address you find on your Tron Pool dashboard. All right, so that is how to complete this tutorial steps. So you need to go back to the tutorial page, scroll down the page where you will find Proceed to Next Tutorial button to access next tutorial. So we're going to click on this button and go to step 4, where you're going to watch my next tutorial video steps. I'm going to show you what to do next. For you to completely set up your Crypto Tron Pool account traffic, email autoresponder software that will connect your Tron Pool referral link and be sending you lots of direct Tron payments, even while you sleep, to generate you up to $10,000 in 30 days while working just for 10 minutes a day. So complete all the tutorial steps on this page. And I'll see you in step 4 of my next video. Guys, thank you very much.